if you want to know how to decork your cheap Chinese diesel heater, this might be the video for you. Right then, the old diesel heater, there it is, it's packed up. It's done something what they call getting corked up. Who knew? But it's not doing what it's supposed to do. There's a lot of black soot, there's a lot of white smoke, and apparently inside of this there are sort of fins, if you like. They transfer the heat over from when the diesel's burned into the what's it called? The heat transfer basically comes up the pipe, warms your cab up. And because these fins are covered in soot, they're not doing what they're supposed to do. So I'm going to take it into the shed and we're going to have a look at it and see if I can uncork it. I feel a little bit like the Betty Ford clinic in America, getting people uncorked. So firstly, I've got to figure out how to get into it. That screws off. What's this? Oh! Oh no! Oh, that was quite easy. Now what happens? No way! Oh well. Turns out I'm something of an expert. So this is the next bit. There's me. I can't disconnect that. Can I take that gasket off? Bet you I forget to put that back on. Right, what have we got? Some Allen bolts. Oh, that's going to be a chew to get off. Right, let's have a look. I need some Allen keys. And at the minute, I think that's it. Right, I'm going to start with this one for like the electrical panel, because that is going, hopefully this removes. That's good, because it was going to interrupt that one. Right, let's have a butcher's at this. Oh, we'll have no more of that. What a noise. That's diesel, that stinks. So that's one of the exhausts. That is stinking, man. Right, I can undo that. That's alright, I can do that bit. Right, that goes away. You might be noticing that I have no idea what any of these things are called. Because I know nothing about motors or engines or anything like that, so right, that's that separate. Now then, there's some Allen bolts there, but I don't see what that's going to do. Look at the soot in there. Jesus. So we'll see. It's like but it can't be a spark plug, it's a diesel heater or something. I can't get them off anyway. Right, let's see what happens when I take these out. Oh, that happens if you don't hold on tight enough. Oh, don't do that to me, come on. Well, that sort of wants to come out, but then this is all stopping this. Oh, hang on, that moves. Right, hang on then. Hang on a minute. Right, pull that out to there. This comes out. I thought this was going to be relatively easy. It's a right pain in the behind. Right, if in doubt, spanners out. Ah, that unloosifies. Right, there we go. So is that like an igniter or something? Right over there. Right, now this. Yes, boy. Oh my Christ, Mick. Wow. Yeah. I'm going to say that is coked up. Holy. Right. Back in there. That is terrible. I can't believe I let my addiction get so bad. Right, I need something to put all the cork in. What have I got? This bag. Will that do? Right then. Let's have a look. Ah, maybe should have got a white one, because now you can't see. But that, well, you can see by the end of the brush. Wowzers. Yeah, there's a lot in there. It's quite a fortuitous size of brush to choose, really, because it is exactly a 2-inch pipe as well. Well, that's a lot cleaner than what it started out as. Right then, I've got to tackle this bit. Oh, there's another gasket. Don't want to lose that. Wowzers. Oh, what's that? I think I'll get in this amount. There's a fair lump. There's still quite a lot in the bottom, whether you can see that. There's still quite a lot in there. I don't know how sort of sensitive all this stuff is in here. Quite a bit more come out. There's still a lot in there though. I need something thin. Stay with me. There we go, that worked a treat. Piece of aluminium, that's aluminium, so I can't scratch it or hurt it in any way, but it fits just in between the fins, so I can get all of the crap out all the way to the bottom. Because you probably can't see, but it's like the columns have got lots of soot in them, so I'm assuming that that's going to affect the productivity of the productivity. That's not the right word, is it? Efficiency. You stupid boy. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, still a lot more come out. The efficiency of the thing. I mean, that's, I don't, I should really blow the stuff out. I haven't got a hoover that does that. Tell you what, let's have a look. Because I don't want to go, because then obviously it'll all blow in my face. What's the door slamming? Let's have a look, see if I can get that at the bottom of that. There's a little bit of dust come out of there. You've only got to look at the end of the brush. I mean, that's how much soot was in there. It's ridiculous. And then obviously it isn't burning, or it isn't transferring the heat, which is why the last time I tried it, it just, well, quite frankly, didn't do anything. It was rubbish. Right, now then, what I'm going to probably have to do is watch this back over to see how it went back together, because, like I said, I'm not very mechanically minded. I put cables into panels, and I sort of know how they want to go into the panel. But building things like motors and engines, I don't know a lot about them. Right, so that gasket went on there. Tell you what, remove this. There we go. Right then, that's that. Then this bit went in. Do I need to clean this off? Oh dear, it is relatively messy. Well, there's nothing in there to clean really. So that there then goes, no it doesn't. Oh, what have I done? Ah, over there. Oh, I'll tell you what I need to do. There's a little, that little exhaust pipe there. I need to get that shifted, because that's got some, there look, there was a decent amount of soot in it. Yeah, look. And if we're going to say that that's, you know, it was corked up, that's going to last in anyone's kitchen at 4 o'clock on a Saturday morning. Yeah, there's quite a bit. Oh, sausages. Forgot about that gasket. Right. And obviously you can't tell this, but good grief, it stinks of diesel, obviously. Right. That, now it's this piece, goes down inside there, and that goes on there. Now I thought I had to bend this out the way, but turns out I didn't. But this is the fuel pipe. Pull that back over like that. And that goes somewhere around there. We'll find out in a minute whether I got it right or not. There we go. Right, now this little, where's that bit at? There. So that goes in there. And not. Oh dear. Cross-threaded again, look, what's wrong with me and cross-threading these last couple of weeks? Right, put that spanner back, where is it? There's 12 now. Where did I get this off then? Oh, that's it. There we go, so that's tightened up now. Go over there. Right, now, oh crap, what have I done here? The holes don't line up now. What have I done? Oh man, is it this? What have you done, man? I've got one bolt all lines up now, honestly. Right, so it was those ones. This state of me looks like I've been down bit. It's funny, yeah. If you were 13 or something, only just over 100 years ago, you'd have been down the pit. And now kids moan if their iPad isn't charged. Not saying I'm any different. I moan if my phone isn't charged, but how we've have we got better as a species? Right now I'm buggered because I don't know what I did. This must be this bit, the only bit left. So that bit goes on. Oh, it must go on like that, because look, there's the that's like an evaporation exhaust or something, so it doesn't really take exhaust fumes away. I think it just drips a bit of water out every now and again. Why was it turned Yorkshire? Ooh, I nipped my finger there. how many duggers till it's tight. Right. Now there's a and that one, because I need to put this gasket on. That way, no, that way. There we go. Right, spin it back. Now there's a little electrical panel. Oh, little electrical panel needs to go back on, like so. Was it like that? No, it wasn't. It was upside down, wasn't it? It was like that. So I have to plug all these things in. Oh no! I thought they were colour coded. Bugger! What have I done wrong here? Well, that one has to go on there because that's got 4 pins. Is that right? Like that. Uh-oh. Someone didn't take any notice. I will have to have a look back now and see what I took off. What have I got? Sensor or motor? Oh, hang on. There, that's motor then. And that's sensor. So there we go. If I just read them. Good heavens, boy. How did you get this far? I'm pretty sure it wouldn't have. Oh, look, I need to put that cover on as well. Oh my God. Good grief. As my old grandfather used to say, he's as thick as 2 short planks. Thick as 2 short planks. There's a saying for you. What's stopping? Oh, there we go. Come on, don't do this to me now. Well, that looks like it's going to cross thread. Nope, it didn't. Right, now this just needs to go back into its cage. Maybe. It's still not sitting where it's supposed to sit though. Or is it just me being an idiot? It comes on there. Do you think that's real carbon fibre? Maybe not. Maybe not. There we go. That's it. There we go. I don't know whether it's worked. I'm going to go and put it back together now and see. What time is it? 2 o'clock. I can have a bit of a mess about with it before I go and pick the boy up from school. But if you want to know how to decork your cheap Chinese diesel heater, this might be the video for you. See if we can get we'll get a thumbnail shot. Like that. So there you go. I'm going to go and plug it in now and see if it actually, and let's see if it runs. I was having issues with it actually burning the fuel properly, so I'm going to go and try that out. But if you watched it, dirty little thumbs up. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da. Well, it's running and pumping air out, but I'm not sure. It's like being at a Jean-Michel Jarre concert. Jesus. Now then, it is. I mean, that is lovely and warm. That is proper warm. And you can see it's flapping the umbrella, so it is knocking some heat out. And that's alright, is that? But that smoke's no good.